Hello and welcome. I'm Lisa Mitrakin, artist, YouTuber, founder and teacher at It's Easy to Draw Art Academy, and your personal guide through the magical landscape of this brand new coloring course. Over at the Academy, I teach various coloring and drawing techniques, and I personally create all the illustrations for every teaching occasion. In this course, you and I will be working together, hand in hand, on this new drawing of a fantasy hovering house nestled in Japanese cherry trees. This course is, of course, pre-recorded, but it will feel like we're going through it together. While cunningly disguised as a straightforward color-along project, this course is crafted specifically to teach several techniques essential for any type of professional drawing or coloring. So, while following along with me, you will also be learning priceless lessons on shading, layering, color balancing, 3D effects, and of course, glow effects. I love glow effects and have several other courses dedicated specifically to those. But let's not get carried away. At the end of this journey, you will produce a stunning work of art that you should absolutely frame and put up on your wall. For the best results that match my outcome the closest, I recommend printing the provided design on either gray or tan-toned paper. I personally really like Strathmore and any kind of cardstock. But hey, there's nothing wrong with good old-fashioned printer paper either. You will, of course, need colored pencils of any brand that you like. And I also recommend getting white charcoal, either in stick or pencil form. If you can't get your hands on this stuff for some reason, worry not. You can substitute it with just a regular white colored pencil from any pencil box. As always, payment plans are available. And of course, all purchase content is yours forever. I want you to learn and enjoy yourselves at your own pace. I'll see you in class.